Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Betterment affiliate portal login, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process for the Betterment affiliate portal, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Betterment affiliate portal's official website. Look for the login section on the homepage, usually located at the top right corner. Enter the email address associated with your affiliate account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password by entering your email address. Once you have correctly entered your email and password, click the Login button. You will be redirected to your affiliate account dashboard. If you encounter any issues during login, check your email for any verification messages from Betterment. Make sure to verify your email address if needed, as this may be a requirement for successful login. If everything is correct, you should now have access to your affiliate dashboard. From there, you can start navigating the various features available to you. Ensure to keep your login credentials secure for future access. If you need additional assistance, visit the Help section on the Betterment affiliate portal. There, you will find resources and support for any further questions you may have. With these steps, you are now authenticated and ready to engage with the Betterment affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.